I make around $50 to $100 per week by selling these used video games on eBay or Amazon or sometimes Zift or Bookscouter, and easily make money without spending many time at all. I like to play video games. Most of them I like to play video games. But there's a way that you can make by doing that. I never buy the new video games when they release because it's too expensive to do that. So a couple of months later, I go and buy it and play it. Sometimes I play the game after it's released for 2 years. So video game like this with these two are never I played here, and I don't like the racing games. I never played, but I'm gonna show you the method that you can get this game for very cheap price and then sell it on Amazon or eBay for higher price. Then you can make your investment back at the time some profit at all. Before that, I'm gonna show you the example here on PayPal. One of our email account made a sale last week that I made around $6.99 by selling video game, which a Killzone video game. I'm gonna show you the proof, and $28.59 for one of my vintage Lego. I get it from thrift store, or in UK it's called charity store. So for example, this is my eBay selling account. You can say Killzone video game. I sold it for $6.99. This is a very old game. I think it was released in 2014. I bought it for £2. After postage and EFP, I made around 150. Easy money back. I don't do any work at all. Like this one, this Lego, I bought it for £5. I sell it for $49.99. I easily double that money in my profit. But there's a way that you can do it. You can't do it for all the video games because very old video games you can sell it for many profit at all. So for example, here if you see that I already had a $6.99 and $28.59. After postage, this is for international shipping for the Lego. So after postage, I live with around 19 pounds. So instead of spending the money in useless thing, I started to buy a video game for cheapest price. So I bought 3 video games. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sell these video games and how you can get those video games for free. As I say, on this site, I will show the entire process where I get my video games and how I check the video games before I buy it. I record that video on my phone, so I will show that on this site. Basically, you have to visit a second-hand store. That's most country has it, or thrift store in USA, or charity store in UK. So what you have to do, visit them and on the DVD section find those video games. They sell it for £5 or £6 or depend on the video game. These 3 video games, as you can see here, are gonna cost £6 each. So £18 I spent. Okay, remember that I didn't spend my money at all. I get that £18 after selling those 2 items, including my investment and the profit. Instead of spending it, I invest on these 3 games, which gonna cost me $18. Now I'm gonna sell those games. I get my investment back on top of that my profit. So what you have to do first, I recommend go to eBay. Because sometimes on Amazon they put flat rate price, so you can't make a profit. But in this game, these video games are a little bit new, no older games. So I'm going to check the Amazon where is it possible I can make a sale at all. So for example, if I go to Amazon here, you can see if I here, I already found that Infamous Son PS4 games. It cost me $6 to £6 to buy it, and this as you see here, if you click used and new, it will show the recent price the game is selling for. So you can see here from it going from 689 and £8 and £9.25. So I always recommend use the mobile phone to check these prices because it's more easier. So for example, I will show the entire video process on the side, but just in case I will record the video here. So on the seller app, when you open the seller app, it's going to look like that, and you need to scan the barcode on the video game, right? When you scan the barcode, it will open the page. This game is selling for around, used one is around selling for $8.96, as you can see from here. Then what you have to do, click low prices used section, and you're gonna ask the 2 simple things: seller full fight or Amazon full fight. I recommend start with seller fulfilled. So the price is 6.93 and postage 2.3, but it's gonna cost less than that. But for the price is £6, I gonna make around 37 cents, but which is not good because I don't make any profit at all. So I gonna change the price into around 7.50 to see how much I can make from here. So if I change that into 7.50, I can make 85 cents. Then see the how much you can make if Amazon fulfill buy your item and you don't make any money at all. You're gonna lose the money. That's the thing I recommend, guys. Check it on Amazon and eBay. So I'm gonna go with here on eBay. So I can go with the less price. I can make around pound and 50 or £2 for this video games, which is, again, I don't lose any money, but the profit on this video game, Infamous Second Son, is gonna be lower. But this one just costs 3. It's gonna give me a larger profit because I can see from here. If you scan the barcode, as you can see from here, that game is selling around, used game is selling around £12. So if I click that, I'm gonna put my cost of the product is £6. If I fulfill the item, I make around £3 in that. So £6 back on top of that £3 profit. So if Amazon fulfill, I make around 138. I am worried about the shipping and everything. So you have to make up the mind. But I would recommend for the video games you fulfill that. Just you're gonna make more money than on Amazon fulfill, because Amazon gonna charge for the shipping, right? So for the video games, it's better you buy the item. So the third game is the traveling games. Is gonna selling good at Amazon right now. So if I can scan that barcode, so when you scan these items, you will come with the 2 different type of listing. You need to look very carefully and closely which one you are looking at. The first one is a special edition Euro 1 standard PS4. So you have to be careful with that. So you have to click the standard PS4 edition, and again it's selling for 14.99. So which is gonna, you can clearly see that you're gonna make more money. So if Amazon fulfill that, I'm gonna make £3. If I did that, I'm gonna make £5. So in general, I spent $18 on this video games. I'm gonna make back around $9 and profit. So 18 plus 9, I'm gonna make around $27. I can reinvest that into more video games or other items. So that's it, guys. The running of the eBay business on Amazon is all like the cash flow, right? So people are selling this item, took the profit and spend it on a useless thing, but cash flow is the key reason that you can grow your business into more. This video is different because other than I already mentioned you guys, I'm gonna make a video around different money making idea in 2020. So this is the best way you can do it. You're gonna spend less than an hour by visiting this store, get these video games and selling on eBay and Amazon, and you can make easy profit. These are the resales, right? You can sell these video games any platform without any issue, as long as you can sell it for profit. So like I said, find those video games, not only video games, movies, new movies with a Blu-ray or any other DVDs. Movies also going higher prices if you can find those for very cheapest price. So like I said, guys, find the cheapest product, sell it on Amazon and eBay, and you easily can make money online. And this is the best passive income. And also, if you want to learn more about eBay, just visit Gary Vee. He's always talk about hustling on eBay and how he can convert that garage sales item into more profit on eBay business. You can visit his videos too. I'm running more than 2 eBay account here. One of them solely focus on toys, and account I have it for another 4 years. I used to make around 300 per day on profit from that, 300 per month profit from that account. Now I make around 50 to 60 because I don't focus on that, and my inventory went low, so I don't have more. I don't have more item to sell on that. But like that, find those cheapest items, resell it on eBay or Amazon or Zip.com. I made an already video about that. They buy the DVD and video games, so you can sell it over there also. So if you want to learn more about money making and make money online, or to build a successful business online, subscribe, like my videos. If you like my videos, YouTube gonna promote my videos so I can make more video like that. Otherwise there's no point in making video on YouTube, guys. So like I said, if you really like video, like click that like button and press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release new videos. Thanks again.